Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So here I am back with the DIY video. I have taken a square of 7 cm sides. As I am mixing two colors, which is black and white, I have taken a black square of 7.5 cm sides. Paste the white square onto the black square, leaving a L-shaped space. Make an ice cream cone by joining the end of one square to the other end. Take a cardboard and draw a circle. Here I have drawn inner circles too. Click the iCard above to know how I drew these circles. Paste the cones as shown on the cardboard. I am using a glue gun for this purpose. Flat the tail of cone and paste it. Leave a space and continue the other cone. Continue this process until you form a flower. Finally, we have completed our DIY wall decor. You can try this wall decor for this Christmas by using the Christmas colors, which are red and green. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon next to it. Thank you for watching.